Welcome to Zhejiang Zhuji Guanqing Photo Frame Co., Ltd. The company has many certificates. Let us take a look at. The first one is SGS and our company's honorary certificate. This is our exhibition hall with various samples available. Now I am standing. The area of the factory is very large. It has 8 production lines. There is a series of automated machines can support 24 hour continuous production, daily production of 800 pieces. The workers are supervising the construction materials. And this is our photo frame. This is our gold hot stamping with embossed. Looks so beautiful. The product quality is also excellent. In order to prevent scratching and shattering, protective film and shockproof foam are used. The workers are packing. Exporting to various countries. If you like it, please contact me.